Today I'll be sharing a simple way and easy way to reduce your missed appointments. And at the end of this video, I will be sharing with you a dialogue which you can add to your consultation and see the magic of it. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about missed appointments and a simple way and an easy way to reduce your missed appointments. And that is with the help of building a strong relationship with your patient. Now, how does that help? Building a strong relationship means giving value to the patient. The patient should feel valued as a person, and when a patient feels valued, they will feel responsible to our clinic. They will be loyal to our clinic. We have to gain their loyalty by giving them value and thus building a stronger relationship. Now, let me explain this whole thing with the help of example. Imagine a patient came to your clinic. You did the first checkup and you found that the tooth will undergo a root canal. You have advised a root canal for that tooth. Now, rather than ending the consultation or the appointment at that point, you extended the consultation by having a discussion with the patient about how he felt, what was his doubt, does he have any anxiety, did he understand why the tooth requires a root canal, does he have any questions, and all such things. You also asked him something about his personal life, like where does he work, what are his work timings, and how long has he been staying in that city, etc. When you have a friendly chat with the patient opens up and the patient will remember that relationship. Your relationship will build very strong. Now, to build a stronger relationship, we have to work rather than our team. Like the receptionist, definitely they can have a chat and have a friendly relationship with them, but it's us who decides whether that patient will come back or not. We are the ones which will have a long lasting impact on the patient. The patient wants to undergo treatment with us only if he's comfortable with us. So if we put our effort and build a strong relation and exchange few friendly chat and all with the patient, the relationship will build stronger. And when the relationship builds stronger, the patient feel valued as a person, and then the patient will feel responsible. Like you had a friendly chat with that patient, you asked him about his details, you told him some about the treatment and all those things that reduced his anxiety and everything. After that, you called in the receptionist and gave him an appointment, which was for the root canal, for the further treatments. So when you gave that appointment to him, you asked him for a commitment. Like you asked him whether he was okay with that appointment, whether he will be able to make it because of his work timings. Does he have the option of work from home? So you can know a lot of things and a lot of details about it, and then the patient will feel compelled to commit to that appointment timing. Even if he is not confident that he wants to turn up or not, he will tell you that okay, he wants to think about it and then come back, rather than just taking an appointment and going. So that ways, first screening is done. Next is when the patient has given that commitment, okay, that he will come on maybe Wednesday, 6 o'clock. He has booked that appointment. Now is the time when you have to say that classic dialogue. Now, that dialogue is what you can add to all of your consultations. But remember, this dialogue is effective only after building the relationship. So, building the stronger relationship is the first step, and second step is delivering the dialogue. So, that dialogue is if because of any reason, and always remember, you have to deliver that dialogue, not anybody else, not the receptionist or anybody else. We have to deliver it. So you have to say, if because of any reason you had to cancel this appointment, please let us know in advance, at least one day in advance, so that we can give this slot to someone who is in pain and who is in need of an earlier appointment. I hope you understand us and thank you so much for your time. This is the way you can end your consultation. And when you end on this happy note, but a note or reminding them to inform us if they are cancelling. Majority of the people will remember it and they will feel responsible if they have to cancel the appointment. Out of 10, at least 7 or 8 will respond positively. And that is what we need. We want them to feel responsible for canceling that appointment. We want them to either come for the appointment or if they are not coming because of any reason, cancel that appointment prior so that we can fill that slot with somebody else. So eventually, our idea of reducing the missed appointments is done, and also we are building a stronger relationship with the patient, which will help us convert that patient from a regular patient to a loyal patient. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us, and send us a hi on this number so that we can add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. So that whenever we are sending anything online, you guys will be the first person to receive it. And there are future videos where we will be sharing other ways. Kindly stay tuned. Thank you so much.